Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about algebraic identities. So first question here arises, what is an algebraic identity? So first we will see what is an algebraic identity, and second, where we are going to use them. Why we should learn algebraic identity and why they are so important in algebra. So what is an first question is, what is an algebraic identity? Algebraic identity is an algebraic equation, means we have left hand side as well as right hand side. That is true for all values of the variables occurring in it. That is algebraic identity. For example, I'll take one example here, like x plus y square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. So whatever is the value of x or y, and this equation, the left hand side is always equal to right hand side. So that's why this is an identity. So where we are going to use them, to find the factors of a given polynomials. So it's x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is a polynomial. So what are the factors of this polynomial? We can use directly the identity. We know this is equal to x plus y square. So we can say that x plus y is a factor of this polynomial. So that's why these algebraic identities are very important, and we'll do lots of questions related to these algebraic identities. Let's get first we'll discuss about the algebraic identities here. So first algebraic identity here, we have x plus y square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. You have to remember all the identities. So second identity, we have x minus y whole square is equal to x square 2xy minus 2xy plus y square. This also you have to remember. So next, third identity, we have x square minus y square is equal to x plus y and x minus y. So fourth identity, we have x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. So next identity, we have x plus y plus z square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 multiplied by xy yz plus zx. Sixth identity, we have x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y, cube y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So next identity, we have x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Next and last identity, I have eighth one, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z multiplied by this whole thing, x square y square z plus z square minus xy minus yz and zx. If we add these two identities, first two identities means x plus y whole square plus x minus y whole square. If you add these two identities, they will get cancelled. 2xy and minus 2xy, they will get cancelled. We'll get 2x square plus y square. Remember this formula also. If x is not equal to 0, then x plus 1 upon x square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. This we are using which identity? X plus y whole square identity, which is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay, so we'll get this. So from here find out that this x square plus 1 divided by x square is equal to x plus 1 whole square minus 2. So this also you remember. And next formula is, if we have x minus 1 upon x whole square, x is not equal to 0, then this will become x square minus 2 plus 1 upon x square. So here I will combine these two. So I will get x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2. So from here x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to x minus 1 upon x whole square plus 2. This also remember this thing. Add x plus 1 upon x whole square plus x minus 1 upon x whole square. You will get 2 into x square plus 1 upon x square. This also you can remember this formula also. And if we subtract these two, x plus 1 upon x whole square minus x minus 1 upon x whole square, you will get 4. Remember this also. Similarly from here also, if we add, if we take if x is not equal to 0, then what will we get? We'll get, then instead of y we'll put 1 upon x. We'll get x plus 1 upon x whole cube is equal to, this is equal to x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3x plus 1 upon x. So here we can find out this x cube plus 1 upon x cube will be equal to x plus 1 upon x raised to power 3 negative minus 3x plus 1 upon x. So remember this formula. If we take x minus 1 upon x cube, then it will become x cube minus 1 upon x cube minus 3x minus 1 upon x. So from here we'll get that x cube minus 1 upon x cube is equal to x minus 1 upon x raised to power 3 plus 3x minus this. Remember this formula also. Now try to remember all these identities, and in next video we will discuss about the uses of algebraic identities. Thank you everyone for watching my video.